Hello, I'm Dr. Macon Singletary, your friendly North Raleigh periodontist. Today we're going to talk about why periodontal maintenance appointments. There's going to be another video about what you do at home. The two most important parts of maintaining gum tissue health are what you do at home and your periodontal maintenance appointment. When you come into our office for a periodontal maintenance appointment, we're going to do a detailed exam of your periodontal health. The pockets, the space between the tooth and the gum that's deeper than 3 millimeters. We're going to look at bleeding. We're going to look at your plaque index. We're going to look at you're going to tell us if there's anything different in your medical history. And based upon your clinical evaluation, we're going to clean your teeth. We're going to remove the plaque above the gum and below the gum, but also we're looking at your restorations. We're looking at is there change in the medical history? How is that affecting your periodontal health? It's not just that we're cleaning your teeth. We're looking at the systemic aspect of it as well. Gum tissue health affects your systemic health. So it's not just a cleaning. We'll be talking to you the whole time. We'll be showing you different instruments to use, maybe to pick up one versus another. So it's going to be a valued, packed time. It's going to be an hour long. And by the time when you leave, you're going to feel like that hopefully that your teeth are really clean, but also that you've got some information that you can carry on to home so that when you do your technique at night before you go to bed, that you're going to be treating your gum tissue, your gum disease yourself. So look forward to hearing from you. Please give us a call, and remember, keep smiling.